The Fluke 117 Electrician's Multimeter is a tool that justifies the extra spend, and here's why. Right out of the box, you get non-contact voltage detection, volt alert built in, so you can instantly tell if a wire is live without dragging a separate tester to the panel. You also get AutoVolt for automatic AC/DC voltage selection and low Z, low impedance mode to stop ghost voltage from fooling your readings. But it doesn't stop there. The Fluke 117 is a true RMS meter, so when you're dealing with nonlinear loads or funky power quality situations, it still gives accurate readings. There's also a large white LED backlight, which means you're not squinting in poorly lit panels or basements. Safety and durability matter. The 117 is rated Cat 3 and 600 volts, and it's built for demanding commercial environments like schools, hospitals, and multi-unit buildings. For the professional or serious enthusiast who wants one meter does it all, this is the one. Yes, it costs more than a basic multimeter, but the time saved, mistakes avoided, and clarity you get in the field make it worth every extra dollar. In short, if you do electrical work, troubleshooting, commercial or serious residential job, necesita, the Fluke 117 is not just nice to have, it's a smart investment in accuracy, speed, and safety. Please use my link in the description for the best deal that I've found on this.